This SikSog 4-inch Smart Recessed Light delivers bright, even illumination with a 12-watt output that comfortably replaces typical can lights in living rooms, kitchens, and hallways. The combination of full color and tunable white lets you shift from warm, cozy tones to crisp daylight or vivid party colors without changing fixtures. Hands-free control through Alexa support makes it easy to switch scenes, dim the lights, or change colors with simple voice commands when your hands are busy. Bluetooth mesh control through the companion application allows you to manage many lights at once, group rooms, and adjust brightness smoothly without relying on a home wireless network. The fixtures install as slim canless downlights with an included junction box so they fit shallow ceilings and remodel projects where traditional housings are difficult to use. Music sync and customizable scenes add a fun, immersive touch for gaming rooms, home theaters, or streaming setups by coordinating colors and effects across multiple lights.